Hey everybody, in this video we are working on section 2 example 1 where we are being asked to just change each equation into exponential form from its logarithmic form. So it's an equivalent, and also by exponential form I don't mean exponential equation or exponential function the way we spoke about in section 1. I'm really looking at this as being a logarithmic equivalent. So, we're talking about it in terms of its relationship to log base b of x. So this is very easy. We have these 3 examples and then 3 more right after this. So let's get into it. So, right here. Okay, so based on the setup here, this right here is y equals log, I'm only going to do this for the first example, base b of x. And I want to rewrite this as b to the y equals x. So what does that mean I will get? The base is 5 to the 2 equals x. And that's it. That right there, that last line is my answer. So they're equivalent statements. I'm just sort of rearranging it. So the base will be the base of your exponential portion of the equation, and then the 5 is with the x in the log equation, so the 5 is going to be with the 2 in the other equation. All right, so over here b is my base to the 3 equals 64. Nowhere does it say to solve or just rewriting it in the other form. And then over here 3 to the y, just be careful because in this case the log's on the left, in the other case the log's on the right. 3 to the y equals 7, and that's all you got to do for this. Okay, so this over here was just a little bit more work, but that's the end of it. Okay, and then we have a few more examples. So this time I'm going to make sure we don't have the formula right in front of our faces, so we have to do this a little bit more independently, right? So here we have 3 more examples. So how am I going to go about doing these? Let's see. Sorry, in green. 7 is the base to the 3 equals x, right? So when you're solving for something inside log, we're going to probably change it to an exponential formatting. B to the 2 is means equals 25. And then 4 to the y equals 26. Now, if again you're taking a test or a quiz and you don't really remember if you're doing it correctly, my go-to is log base 2 of 8 equals, and how do I read that? 2 to what power is 8? 3. So 2 to the 3 is 8. And just make sure that you are kind of rearranging everything based on how this statement here is rearranged. So if you memorize that and have it kind of in your back pocket, can't get that one taken away, you know it makes sense. You're not memorizing an example that the numbers are meaningless, and you can use that to move forward. So that is the end of this one. In the next video we will be doing the reverse, which will be quick and easy. We'll be switching from exponential form to logarithmic form, so check for that. And there's a bunch of other videos coming along for this whole section. And if you are feeling like, wow, this is easy, I can do this, thumbs up. Not so much, thumbs down. And question, comment, concern, request, feedback, feel free, don't be shy, give it to me in the comments. And that's it for now. Sayonara. Bye.